Good morning, students. Today we continue our fifth chapter, acids, bases, and salts. So now we start fifth reaction of acids with carbonates and bicarbonates of metals. Here given one activity is here on page number 67 in your textbook. Fit a bend test tube in a rubber cork. Take some lime water in a test tube and take some baking soda in another test tube and add lemon juice to it. अनदर टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या करना है, बेकिंग सोडा लेना है और उस बेकिंग सोडा में क्या करना है, थोड़ा लाइम जूस ऐड करना है और इमीडिएटली उस अनदर टेस्ट ट्यूब मीन्स सेकेंड टेस्ट ट्यूब यू फिट द बेंड टेस्ट ट्यूब ओवर इट and insert its other end into the lime water and observe this experiment. Then what you observe, see here, you observe that when lime water comes in contact with gas released in the form of effervescence, it turns milky. Means when this reaction starts, lime water comes in contact, the gas released in this reaction in the form of effervescence, and because of that gas, lime water turns milky. Lime water turns milky. It means that this is the test for the carbon dioxide gas. This is the chemical test for the carbon dioxide gas. It means that in this reaction the gas release is carbon dioxide gas. Chemical reaction is given here. CaOH twice means calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gas gives out CaCO3, calcium carbonate plus H2O, liquid water. Now we start salts. Types of salts: acidic salt, basic and neutral salts. Acidic, basic and neutral salts. Acidic salts means what? See how we identify the acid salt is acidic. Acidic salt is formed by a neutralization reaction between a strong acid and weak base. Strong acid and weak base. The pH of the aqueous solution of an acidic salt is less than 7. The pH of the aqueous solution of an acidic salt is less than 7, and a basic salt is formed by a neutralization reaction between a weak acid and strong base. Between a weak acid and a strong base, and the pH of this aqueous solution is greater than 7. Greater than 7 means this is the basic salt. And the aqueous solution of a neutral salt has a pH equal to 7. The aqueous solution of a neutral salt has a pH 7 means aqueous solution का pH जब 7 होता है तो वो न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट होता है. ओके, हियर गिवन सम रिएक्शंस इन पेज नंबर 68. You see this reactions want to complete you. Carbonate salt of metal plus dilute acid gives out another salt of metal plus carbon dioxide. First reaction, see, Na2CO3 solid plus 2HCl aqueous gives out twice NaCl aqueous, sodium chloride plus CO2 gas is released. Now second reaction, Na2CO3 plus what coming here gives out Na2SO4 means which acid is used here? H2SO4. Na2CO3 plus H2SO4 gives out Na2SO4 plus CO2 gas. Next reaction, CaCO3 plus twice HNO3 nitric acid gives out Ca3 CaNO3 twice, CaNO3 twice calcium nitrate plus CO2 plus H2O. CaNO3 twice plus CO2 gas plus H2O. Next reaction, K2CO3 potassium carbonate plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid aqueous gives out K2SO4 sulfuric potassium sulfate, potassium sulfate plus CO2 gas plus H2O. Like that you want to complete this table. Next see bicarbonate salt of metal given and dilute acid, and another is in product form another salt of metal plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here given NaSCO3, sodium bicarbonate plus HCl gives out NaCl, sodium chloride plus CO2 gas plus H2O. KHCO3 potassium carbonate plus HNO3 nitric acid gives out KNO3 potassium nitrate plus CO2 plus H2O. NaSCO3 plus here given CH3COO Na, means which acid is used here? Acetic acid, CH3COOH. What coming? CH3COOH, and gives out CH3COOH Na plus CO2 plus H2O. Like that you want to complete this table. Now water of crystallization. Here also given one activity. See on page number 69 in your textbook. Take some crystals of blue vitriol in 2 test tubes. Add some water in one test tube and shake it. What did you see? Next, what is the color of the solution formed? Heat the other test tube on low flame of a burner. What did you see? What change did occur in the color of blue vitriol? What did you see in the upper part of the test tube? ये एक्टिविटी दी है तुम्हें. एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्या करना है? ब्लू विट्रॉल लेना है एंड यू वांट टू ऑब्जर्व दोनों टेस्ट ट्यूब में क्रिस्टल ऑफ ब्लू विट्रॉल लेना है एंड उसमें वाटर ऐड करना है. वाटर ऐड करेंगे तो वाटर ऐड करो एंड शेक दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब्स एंड ऑब्जर्व व्हाट हैपन विथ. देन सी व्हेन द सेकेंड टेस्ट ट्यूब cools down, some water in it, add some water in it and shake it and observe what is the color of the resulting solution. Then what you observe, see, on heating the crystalline structure of the blue vitriol broke down to form a colorless powder and water came out. क्या होता है जब तुम लोग टेस्ट ट्यूब को हीट करते हो तो वो टेस्ट ट्यूब में जो क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ ब्लू विट्रॉल है वो क्या होता है, स्लोली दिस क्रिस्टल्स ब्रोक डाउन एंड फॉर्म अ कलरलेस पाउडर. क्रिस्टल्स ब्रोक होते हैं और फॉर्म अ कलरलेस पाउडर एंड water also come out from that crystals, and this water is a part of the crystal structure of blue vitriol, and this water is part of a crystal structure of the blue vitriol, and this water is called as the water of crystallization. This water is called as the water of crystallization. On adding water to white powder of the solution was formed which had the same color as the solution in the first test tube. From this we came to know that no chemical change has occurred in the crystals of blue vitriol due to heating. जो पाउडर हमें मिले उस पाउडर में तुम लोगों ने जब थोड़ा सा वाटर ऐड किया in first test tube, and you observe that there is no chemical change occurred in the crystal of blue vitriol on heating. Losing water on heating blue vitriol, breaking down the crystal structure, and losing also blue color and regaining blue color on adding water again are the physical changes. क्या होता है जब हम लोगों ने ब्लू विट्रॉल हीट किया तो क्या होता है, उसका क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर ब्रोक होके वो पाउडर फॉर्म होते हैं उससे, एंड it means that it lose blue color, and when we add the water it also regaining its color. These all are the physical changes. Now next activity also given here. See, evaporating dish लेना है, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, wire gauge, etc. And chemical is a alum. All of you know that alum. Take a small stone of alum in the evaporating dish. Keep the dish on the tripod stand and heat it with the help of burner. alum लेना है, evaporating dish में alum लेना है और उसको ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड पे वो डिश ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड पे रख के उसको हीट करना है with the help of burner. And what did you observe in the dish, and what is meant by this pulp alum? When ionic compounds are crystalline in nature, these crystals are formed as a result of definite arrangement of ions. In these crystals of some compounds, water molecules are also included in this arrangement. That is the water of crystallization. The water of crystallization is present in the definite proportion of the chemical formula of the compound. It is indicated in the chemical formula as shown in the below. क्या होता है जब एलम लेते हो, एलम को तुम लोग हीट करते हो, it also broke, the crystal of the alum is broke and white puff is formed there. It means that the crystal of on heating, the crystal of alum is broke and white powder, white puff is formed, means white powder of alum is formed there. Means what? There is a water is come out from that crystals and there is a formation of crystallization of water. It means that the water of crystallization is present in a definite proportion in the chemical formula of a compound. It means that the water of crystallization is present in a definite proportion of the chemical formula of the compound, and this is indicated by a formula given below. Crystalline blue vitriol formula क्या है देखो, CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Second, crystalline ferrous sulfate green vitriol FeSO4 plus 7H2O. Crystalline washing soda Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. Sorry, Na2CO3 10H2O. Crystalline alum is what? Turti. K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice and 24H2O. This is the crystalline formula of the alum. You remember that crystalline substances contain water of crystallization. We learned now this crystalline substances contain water of crystallization. The molecules of the water crystallization are part of the internal arrangement of that crystal. And on heating, just by keeping the water of crystallization is lost and the crystallization shape of the part is lost. When we heat these substances, water of crystallization is also lost and also the shape of that crystal is also lost. Okay, here we stop. We want to complete the table on the 68 page number and also take some question. What is the acidic salt? Second, what is the basic salt? And third, what is the neutral salt. What is the neutral salt? You complete your homework and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you.